you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end.